From your Chapter 12 folder, open the file Chapter 12.01 Plumbing Fixtures. During the course of these videos, we've seen several ways of placing mechanical and electrical equipment, and we could do exactly the same here. But the architect has already placed toilets and washhand basins in his model. Should we, as MEP designers, have to go through the process of modelling them again? Is there any point? Especially when the architect could, in all likelihood, move these elements. So Revit does cater for another location method for these types of elements. In the exercise file, make sure you have the view Plumbing Level 2 Documentation Toilet Details open. Scrolling in, we can see the toilets and washhand basins, and in trying to select them, you'll see that I can't because I've got the Select Links option turned on. Now I can select the link, and if I use the Tab key, I can tab to select the elements in the file. What we can do here is something very similar to the original startup that we did when linking and copy monitoring levels and grids. We can do the same with these elements. So from the Collaborate tab, click on Copy Monitor, select the link. And now, rather than using the Copy tool, click on Coordination Settings. Here we can see the categories that can be copied and monitored from the linked file. As you can see here, it's a fairly extensive list of MEP equipment, and this may also be a perfect example of being able to copy monitor elements between, say, a mechanical file and an electrical file, so that if you have people working in other offices, or you've decided to split your models up into M, E and P, you could potentially copy monitor mechanical equipment from the mechanical file into the electrical file. Here we're just dealing with the plumbing fixtures. The copy behaviour is I'm going to allow a batch copy. I'm going to copy the original. We could specify a type mapping, which means that we could substitute a different type of family. That family could just be the connectors, so that we don't double up on the elements from the original file. Here we'll go with copy the original, and we'll click on copy. Once that's finished, hover over one of the elements, and we'll see that this toilet has now got access to the connectors, and we've got the copy monitor symbol. Once we've completed this process, we can click on Finish. It may be a good idea at this point to click on the View tab, go to Visibility Graphics, and in your Revit links, customize what we can see as model categories. Here, we don't want to set the model categories by host view. We want to customize it so that we can turn off plumbing fixtures. Click on Apply and OK. OK again, and this time we'll now have just one set of plumbing fixtures rather than the two, the one from the architectural link file and the one that we've copy monitored.